friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist, a savvy brand partner, and a lover of all things beauty. Here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly DIY lashes. I talk about pretty much anything beauty related. I want this to be an educational platform. I want to give my opinion to see, hey, there's so many different products out there. The more that you know, the better educated you'll be, and whether or not, hey, is this something that's going to work for my skin, that sort of thing. But I also really encourage you guys to leave comments so that other viewers know, hey, did you like that product? Do you agree with me, not agree with me? This is my own personal opinion. You may have something different. So I really encourage you guys to leave comments below so that other viewers can know whether or not it worked for you and what your experience has been, because it's just mine. So today's video is going to be on a brand that I recently came across called Hello Love. These are press-on nails. So they are what I am wearing right now. They are so cute. So I did these in, kind of Halloween inspired look. They are absolutely adorable. Kind of mix and match. So there's a matte one, a matte black, a matte white, and then this cute little, this kind of reminds me of Beetlejuice. I wish I could find something that's like this perfect neon like green, because I feel like that would be super cute, but I'll tell you why. I'm gonna redo them in a second. So I have these that I just got. I pretty much almost have every single color selection that they give out, but I just wanted to do a video and show you guys a little bit of this inspired styles that I have, what I've gotten, a little bit about the brand, and some pros and cons that I've noticed after trying them out. So here's kind of like a red kind of look. This is called Raiders Rose, super cute. They also have this one, kind of a plaid one. This one is called Supersonic Plaid. I think it's adorable for fall. This one is a matte, kind of a matte tannish nude. This is Marcia's Nude. And this one is a kind of a nude with some gold flecks. This is going to be my next manicure, but this is Junk Mail Millionaire. So I thought about mixing these two. I'm sorry that the glare on my window is so bad, but I thought these would be really cute together, just kind of like a little bit of a wazoom and then a little bit of a nude kind of nail. So these, I can't remember what these are called, but I will link them down below. So the other things that I've done, like try to keep them organized. These are mixed with Hello Love and also Red Aspen, but I wanted to show this real quick to show you, because these are a little bit hard to store and you can't really see them that much. Like when I look in, I'm like, okay, Marcia's Nude, what is that? And I have to pull it out. So this one I figured is a lot easier. I have the names, I did a label maker, did the names here. And so I tried to color coordinate them, and obviously I'm gonna have to redo them as I get more nails. But I just thought that that was a super cute way to keep them all organized. And yeah, as you can see, I'm absolutely obsessed. When I find something I like, I just go all in. Like, I'm like, give me every color, give me every, finish, all that stuff. And then I've been keeping, these are a little bit longer nails, and then I've been keeping the glue here, so I've got enough glue to last me a lifetime. So just wanted to show that real quick. So kind of the pros and cons about these. They retail anywhere, I think, from $12 to $16. So depending on what like finish you get or whatever, it may be a little bit more, but I think they're like average around $14. They do last a decent amount of time. On the website, it will say 12. It will say 2 weeks. I would say that that probably is accurate. I could probably get 10 days out of this, but for me personally, I like to do them every week. It's kind of like with my DIY lashes. Even though I can get 2 weeks out of them, I want every week I like to change up, and that's really the benefit for me, is I like having these wacky kind of crazy nails. I don't want to pay the price, and I don't want to have to spend the time with them. When you go into a salon, like I was paying $60 every 3 weeks, and that's $60 with just my nails done. That wasn't including tip. I was usually spending about $75, $80 including tip. And that was just one color. That wasn't with doing anything fancy. That wasn't doing with any nail art. And I was doing them every 3 weeks, because if I did them every 2 weeks, it was just getting, I was spending like, what, $150, $160 a month on just my nails. So I tried to get that longevity. But the problem I have is I'm also a perfectionist. So I would only but I would only do like light color nails. So that way when they were growing out, they weren't as noticeable. Because if I did a dark nail like this, and then after 3 weeks, you could see that the line behind it, and it drove me absolutely insane. So if you're a perfectionist, if you're OCD like me, then these are a great option for you because you can mix and match them. You can change them up. If you're feeling something different, take them off, do another brand or do another look. And that's what I absolutely love about them. Now for this brand particularly, some of the things I like about it is I love their finishes. They have a lot of matte styles, like this one, Maurice's New Dew. It's got the tan, they've got a white one, they've got a black one, they've got a matte red one. What other mattes? I think they have a matte hunter green one. So this one is called You Can't See Me, and it's this gorgeous hunter green matte. This one is called Jump the Shark, and so it's kind of like this taupey gray. They also have this one in like a regular shiny color. So I just love the fact that they have like that versatility of you've got the matte and then you've got the shiny, because I think it just really, you can change up a look just on the finish. So it's almost like and you can mix and match them. You can do one of the Jump the Shark or whatever it's called in a matte and one in a shiny, and just do that and not have to do anything fancy. So I really, really like that. So as far as their colors and stuff, like here's some of the other ones that they have. This one is called King of Baldwin. So it's kind of like this, I don't even know what you call this. I want to say tortoise kind of look. It's definitely not leopard, but I love this. I did this with a red accent nail, or did it like alternated. I thought that was super, super cute. The other one that they have, I think that is adorable, is this one right here. It's called The King is Dead. And so it's got like this gold finish on it. Adorable. Here's the matte red one. This one is called, I guess we'll say I guess we'll stay. I need to upgrade my glasses because I can't read. But this is the matte one, and then this is the shiny one. So you can see this. Oh no, this one's Raiders Rose. I thought I got the shiny one too. Maybe that's coming. And then this one is a navy blue one. This one's called The Yankees Win, but I thought that would be super cute to do for cowboy nails because I'm a Cowboys fan. So yeah, so that is it. I just, like I said, thought that they were super, super cute. I do like the finishes on them, and like I mentioned, I almost have them in every single color. I like them that much. So I like the designs and stuff like that. To me, comparing them to Red Aspen, which to me is like the closest to this, I like Hello Love better because I feel like their patterns are a little bit more sophisticated. Like when you look at like this one, King of Baldwin, like it's just a sophisticated pattern, and the mattes and stuff like that are very sophisticated. They have a leopard one. I think maybe I ordered it. And I just think that their leopard is very sophisticated, whereas Red Aspen is a little bit more cutesy. They do have nails that are more sophisticated, but they come out with more cutesy nails, which I'm all about. Let me just say that. I'm not saying that those cute patterns, like the Halloween patterns and all that stuff that they have, is not adorable. I love them. But this one, Hello Love, I think is a little bit more sophisticated. And so for me, more of a day-to-day nail. Some of the cons that I have is they only come in short. They do not have any long. They do not have any coffin shapes or anything like that. Red Aspen does. They come in short, they come in petite, they come in square, they come in coffin, they come in oval. They have a variety of different things. Now in Red Aspen, they don't have every shape and every design. So that's kind of a con for them. But this one, it's a small brand. I actually am fine with it because to me, this is the length that I would go for normally because I like the way that it's a little bit longer. You can see a little bit of it. I can do all the things that I need to do, but just keep that in mind. If you're looking for something luxurious or want something longer, you're not gonna have that option in these. The other thing that is a little bit of a con, and it's mostly with their matte nails, is you can see here that matte finish. Like, I don't know what I got into, but it kind of put this weird film on that nail right there. And you can see that is really what it's supposed to look like. And it's got this film on it. Now I have noticed, or what I've heard from other like people who sell Hello Love, is that you can actually buy matte polish and put a matte coat on it, and it will protect it to make sure that you have it, you know, you get that longevity of the matte. But that's the problem with the matte nails. Now I have noticed that it only happens the white. Even the bar one, like I can see there's slight discoloration. It was a little bit brighter when I first put them on. I've had these on for a week. So they've, you know, I've done all the things, dishes, picked up dog poop, didn't get my hands dirty. But I mean, I've done all the things with them. So this is after a week. I have not noticed that with the black of any chipping or any wear with them. And even when I was wearing the, I guess we'll stay a matte, I didn't notice any of the, like the matte finish coming off. I just noticed that discoloration with the white. So I definitely probably will pick up a matte top coat just to protect the white, because it is a little bit disappointing, but I think there's a workaround for that. As far as removal, they're super easy to remove. I feel like the glue, I think they have a blush. They have a brush on glue. I have not purchased that yet because I have so much bloody glue, but every little kit here comes with a little glue thing. They come with a little orange stick, and then they come with a nail file. So you get everything that you need to do your nails. You don't have to do anything else. But like I said, the glue holds up for at least a week. I've gotten, I think the most that I've gone is like 9 or 10 days, and they've held up just fine. Now, in full disclosure, I always keep glue with me because you never know. You hit it right at the in the corner, say you have, you know, a little bit of overlap and you didn't put it on the right way, you're not going to get the longevity. So I keep glue at my vanity, I keep glue in my car, I keep glue in my purse, and I keep glue at work. I literally keep it of all the places just in case, because I have had times where one of them have fallen off, not so much with these, but with other ones. So that is just my thing. If you buy 2 of these, you get 2 glues. Keep one in your purse, keep one in your car. You're good to, well, I guess you don't really need it in your car, but keep it at home, keep one in your purse so you always have one. Little pro tip. But other than that, removal is super easy. You soak them in water for 10 minutes, soap, and I put olive oil in there, kind of mesh it around, and then I will go in and kind of pull them up. You can take a little floss thing and pull it up just gently, and then you let them soak and they'll pop right off. Now, in full disclosure, I have not tried to reuse them. They are supposed to be reusable, like some of the other press-on nails. I have not reused them. Like the white ones, I probably wouldn't, and the bar ones, I wouldn't. I think I could definitely reuse the black ones. I don't think that they, like I said, the finish is fine, but I have not reused them, so I don't know how easy it is. I definitely want to start doing that because there are some nails that I think are absolutely adorable, but as you can see, I'm full on like obsessed and in this press-on nail trend, so you're going to see a lot more videos of this. But hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I just want to do a quick review. If you're looking for something that is quick, easy, simple, affordable, cost-effective, you don't have to go to the salon and spend a lot of money. And I cannot tell you, I feel like I need to keep a business card on me because I legitimately, everywhere I go, will get comments on my nails. And the last one that I had, I can't remember which one I had before this, people are like, oh, did you just get them done? I'm like, girl, it's a week old and they're press-ons. And they're like, no way, press-ons? And I'm like, yep, press-ons. People think that I get them done in the salon. Nobody can tell that I've done them myself. Nobody believes me when I say that they're press-ons. They are legit, really, really good. And like I said, if you just keep this with you, you never have, because when I first started doing it, I had like fear that one of them was gonna pop off. And now I just keep this, and I've had a couple pop off, but it's not like popped off in the middle of everybody. It's like, I can feel it kind of pulling up, and I'm like, and I'm a picker, so I pick it off and then I go and redo it. So not a big deal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have tried this brand, please leave your comments below. Let other viewers know what your thoughts are. I don't have a link with them. I think I'm going to get a link with them because I do really, really like them. They do have like a VIP program where I think if you spend $15 a year, you get free shipping and you get deals and discounts and all that stuff. So I'm going to be doing that because I really, really like that. I don't think that I have any link with them, but I will put their information down below in case you're interested. Let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.